I'm Kimberly at Back Quarter Shop, and we are here in Sweet Wing Studios booth at Nashville Needlework Market, and Susan is here with us today to talk all about Nashville, her new pieces. So let's just jump right in. Do you want to show me your new pieces?
Sure, I'll be happy to. First one here is It Is Well, and that one was really kind of inspired by one I did last year, God is Good. And I just wanted to use the three words together, God is good all the time, God is good all the time. And so when I was stitching this one came to mind, It Is Well with my soul, since the three words match that way. And I really like doing the quilty designs. They're very soothing to stitch, I think.
Yes.
So that's my first one. My next one is this one, the Golden Thread. And I actually designed this for a group of friends of mine. And they actually commissioned me to make the design for them. And it was an honor to do so. So I made that for them, and about 6 of them stitched it. And then I made sure it was okay with them for me to release it to everyone else. My third one is Goodness and Mercy. And that one seems to be pretty popular. Everybody seems to like the bird. I named her Mabel. I don't know why, but she looks like a Mabel to me. And I also have Only Once. This is my Nashville exclusive. I found this quote here in an old hymn called Only Once You Pass This Way. And it's just got a really nice thought behind it, I feel.
So can you explain to everybody what's a Nashville exclusive? What does that mean to shops?
What that means to shops is for 30 days, they're the only ones that have they're the only ones that will have that design in their shop. They're the only ones, they have to attend the market to get that one. And so that one's just a little special sort of gift for the shops as a thank you for coming to market. And another new one is For Such a Time. And this is a collaboration with Forbidden Fiber Company. She provides like a palette for me from her threads, and she picks them out and she gives me a verse to use.
Okay.
And so I just ran with it and made that for her. And my other one is Far Better Things, and that is inspired by a C.S. Lewis quote, obviously. It's also inspired by Narnia, the Chronicles of Narnia, the book series by C.S. Lewis. And that one means a lot to me. I was stitching it when my father passed away, so it kind of makes me think of him. Oh man, I did not expect to get emotional. Sorry. There are far, far better things ahead than any we leave behind, and I believe that.
Do you, out of all of your new, what is your favorite?
Out of my new ones, what's my favorite? I really like the colors in this one. It really seems to pop. They're really, everybody says this, I know, but they're really all like my children, so it's hard to pick a real favorite, but that one would probably be my favorite, probably followed by Far Better.
And do you have like a feel before market, what you think is going to be your best seller?
That is something that is always interesting to me. I'll have one in my mind that I think, okay, this one's going to be the best seller, and I'm going to get plenty of designs ready to go. And I always do, and I'm always wrong.
Okay.
It's just funny. I thought this year, I probably thought Goodness and Mercy would be the most popular, and it is. Yeah, it's hard to tell. You never know what everybody's going to like that season, or what you've selected.
How many years have you come to market?
This is my 3rd year.
Okay, and what's your favorite part of coming?
Gosh, I really like meeting all the shop owners. It's nice to have that face-to-face contact and get to know them a little better, other than just through emails or phone calls. I really like meeting everybody.
And how can my customer find you, like on social media?
I am Sweet Wing Studio on Instagram, Facebook, and www.sweetwingstudio.com.
Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you for coming.